Using trip.com coins. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to use trip.com coins. So let's get started. First, go to the official trip.com website and select the service you want. Then trip.com coins are earned by booking hotels or flights on the platform. Enter your travel details, select your departure city, select your destination city or choose your travel dates. Then select the number of passengers and flight class. After that, make sure the trip type is correct, for example, one-way or round trip. Now click search to view available flights, choose your desired flight and click select. In the pop-up modal, click continue to proceed with the booking. On the next page, click next to finalize your booking. You will receive trip.com coins for completing the booking. You earned 25 coins for this booking. Now coin value. 100 trip coins are equal to $1 USD of future bookings. You can earn more coins by upgrading your membership tier. Use your cumulative trip coins to get discounts on future flights or hotel bookings. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.